Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Jay Roberts, and today's video we're going to look at how to make road trip printables fast and easily. Now if you're unfamiliar with road trip games, let's go and have a look on Etsy. But before we do, welcome to the channel. If you've been here before, thanks for coming back. If you're new, then my channel is basically it's called Make Money with Video, where I show how to make money with different video creation tools on different social media sites. But I also upload videos about how to make money with low content bulk ideas, like for KDP, and also for printables over on Etsy. You can sell them on your own sites as well. But let's get into this, guys. Let's go over to Etsy. I've typed in road trip printable, and if you look, 480 searches a month for just this term, road trip printable. You can change it up. You can just type in road trip if you want. You can type in printables for road trip, anything you want, guys. But here are the basics of it. It's printable games you can print off and you take with you when you go on your road trip. Yeah. Now, if you see these bundles, they're selling for good prices, and they're selling, yeah, 334. All got some sellings, 127, 19, 29. And if you look, the bundles, guys, they're not just selling them on their own. I mean, you might get the odd one like that, but people like to have bundles. So I'm going to show you how to make these very quickly. Yeah. Now, this is a software I bought the other day. It's very new, and it's called Crispy Prints. Yeah, you've got all the videos how to watch it, how to promote it on Etsy, on the Pinterest, etc. But we're just going to quickly show you today. Now, you click on here. If you look, it says road trip bundles. You've got your lots of different. You've got more printables. You can search for like the level and this show bundles, busy book bundle, dice prints, flag banners, S-tail banners, road trip, Xmas, and sticker prints. Yeah, and you also got your essential pages and that. But we're going to look at the road trip bundle today, guys. And this is how easy it is. There's just 3 steps. Yeah. So what I've done, what you do is you click on this, yeah, and you download the background. Yeah. Then you take these over to Canva. Yeah, and look, I've put these in. I've made it. This is the background. This is the theme that you download. Yeah. So this is this. So you click on that, it downloads. What all I've done is just uploaded it here. And this is the template, right? And this is how I do it. No, 1 minute. So I copy this, then I come over to the elements, and I click on this box here. In fact, guys, I did it right the first time. So I'll keep that blank, and I come over to here, and all I'll do, I'm putting this box just over the, so it's touching the sides, yeah. It doesn't have to be so perfect, but yeah, I copy it, scroll down, and paste it, and there we have it. Yeah, we'll leave it grey for now. But then I get rid of that, delete that. For instance, this one here. Let's just put this. So you can put that as your border, yeah. And we'll use it there for now. And we'll change this back to white. So there you have it, right? Now, what you want to do then, guys, is you want to put some. I'm going to go to my baby animals. You want to put something here. So let's have this. What can we do? Let's have this. This looks a bit colourful for that. So you drop it on the one below, because if you drop it on this one first, it kind of takes over this whole page. So I drop it on the one below, and then all you're doing is you're just making it fit inside this little box. Then you copy it, paste it, and it will automatically paste where you copy it from, and there you have it. So then what you do then is I'm just going to download this, download it as a PNG. We don't want the top one, so let's get rid of that. We only want page 2. Download that. And then we go back to Crispy Prints, guys. Then you can make multiple. What I like to do, I like to make like 10 of these. So I'll just copy this. Let's get rid of that a minute. I'll create so many pages, and then I'll change the backgrounds, and I'll show you in a minute how quickly you can do that. So you come back over here, yeah, and then what you do, you can either click it or you can just drag and drop it into there. Yeah, and it loads up, and those are print there. Now you can click on these if you want. Yeah, they've got different games. Colored Estates, I Spy, Colour Cars, Road Trip, Price is Right. Yeah, so you can read these. But if you don't want to do that, click that, and it clicks all. And there's 14 games inside here. Yeah, all you do is click that and leave this. It will create these games for you, and I'll show you in a minute. But let's just go back and let me show you how to create these. Fact, delete these. This is where I do it now. So I copy this, yeah, copy this, and I'll copy it a few more times. So we've got about, let's say about 10, yeah. Right, and then we just want different backgrounds and different things. What we'll do while we're here, I'll just delete that. And that we'll put him in there like that. Copy that. Go down here. Paste. And there's that one. Delete that one. Delete that one. We'll have, I don't know, we'll have this dog. So remember, we drop them on that one, the one below it. Kind of a bit bigger because we'll change the back. Don't worry, guys. We're going to change the background while I'm just going to delete all these. Go and have a look at our printables in a minute. I'm not going to, for the sake of this video, I'm not going to make them all, but you get the gist of it, yeah? So what you'd do, you'd make some of these up, yeah? And then you come back to the background. You're going to change it up. Now, if you look, I've actually got some backgrounds I've already installed, but you can use canvas and all that. And we're just going to, all you do, that's like a Christmassy one. So have I got any Christmassy ones here? Yeah, I have. Is this a doggy one? It doesn't really look that good, that one, to be fair, the Christmassy ones. So we've got these kind of Christmassy ones. There they go. Yeah, that it's not perfect, but you spend more time on it, guys. Bumblebee, we want a bit, yeah, like a yellowy colour one, don't we? Maybe that one. Oh, and as soon as it does it, guys, it automatically like opens up. Now I'll just shorten this, yeah. And if you look here, look, it's got our background, it's got our template we made with our little picture on, and it's created these games, and it's put it all on it. Look, and how good is this, guys? Didn't take long at all, did it? Yeah. And that, guys, is how you make a road trip bundle very quick and easily. Now, I will leave the link to Crispy Prints in the description, so feel free to check it out. But that is how easy it is, guys. Now, this prints out 14 games, yeah? If you look at Etsy, they've got more games, right? So all you need to do is what you print out your road trip games with 14 games on, but you can also come back to Crispy Prints and you can print off the Xmas bundle, the show bundle, because they've all got all this one here, Busy Book bundle, because they've all got different games. Let's just have a look. Yeah. They've got other games like your Edition, your Would You Rather. Yeah. So you can still put these out. Yeah. You can also add your image to these. Yeah. Select all. and create that bundle. Or you can change the color of the title. So if we go back to that a minute, you see how ours is black. You can change that to any color you want, guys. You just do that while you're inside there like that. But that's how easy it is. You create that, then you'll have 28 games. Yeah. And if you want more, you go and pick another one and then print like that. Before you know it, you've got more than 35 or whatever how many this is. That's 30 pages. So click out that. That's how easy it is. Now, in the next video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can add to these. Yeah. So how we made this one and we made 14 games in road trips. I'm going to show you how you can use Canva as well to add to it. So not only Crispy Prints is printing out loads of games for you, you can make your own games up as well. Before you know it, guys, you're going to have a better pack than these. So you're going to get more sales. You upload it to Etsy, yeah, as a bundle, and you're going to make sales. Or you can bundle them all together and create a book out of it and sell it over on Amazon KDP. Now, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, because I'm going to be making that video soon. So I don't want you to miss it. So thanks very much for watching, guys. Until next time, goodbye.